Hello everybody, it's not a tutorial today, I'm just making a video to say thank you so much for all the support. We hit 1,000 subs, so yeah, really happy about that. Because we've hit 1,000 subs, I'm gonna give some stuff away. If you want it, you need to join my Discord server. You can find the link in the description beneath the video. And something I thought I'd do is just show off some of the sounds for my upcoming Vital Pack. So that's just a small selection of them. I've got some fairly, I think, quite nice FM timbres that I think you guys are going to like. Stuff like this. And like this. And yeah. Probably, well, hopefully you guys will like what's in there. So I'm going to give away 3 copies of the Vital Pack when it comes out. If you want to take part in the, it's going to be a contest. If you want to take part in the contest, you need to come and join my Discord server and sign up there. Alright, so just a short one today, really. Thanks for watching as always, and see you next time, guys. Take it easy.